Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan Modak. Today date is the 5th November 2022. Today's video topic is the SQL joins. SQL joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables. SQL join performed whenever tables two or more tables are listed in a SQL statement. So now we see the their types. There are the mainly four types of the SQL join. The first one is the SQL inner join. Sometimes is called as a simple joins. The second type of the SQL join is the left outer join. It's also called as the left join. Third one is the SQL right outer join. Is also called as the right join. And fourth one is the SQL full outer join. Sometimes is also called as the full join. So let's discuss its SQL joins syntax one by one. The first one is the SQL inner joins. That means the simple join. Chances are you have written SQL statement that uses an SQL inner join. It returns the all rows from the multiple tables whenever the join continue is joins condition is made. The syntax for this is the syntax for the inner join in SQL is select columns from tablet, select a column from table 1, inner join table 2 on table 1 dot column is equal to table 2 dot column semicolon. The next type is the SQL left outer join. Outer join. This type of the join returns all rows from the left hand table specified in the on condition, and only those rows from the other table where the joined field are equal. The syntax for this is the select a column from the table 1 left in square bracket outer join table 1 on table 2 on table 1 dot column is equal to table 2 is equal to column. In some database the outer keyword is omitted and written simply as a left join. Third type is the SQL right outer join. This type of the join returns all rows from the right hand table specified in the on condition, and only those rows from the other table where the join fields are equal. And this is my point of view about the joins. Thank you.